Hey guys, once again we're bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from Aliexpress and Amazon sites. Links to all the products are mentioned in the description. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go. If you are blessed with an iPhone, AirPods and an Apple Watch, congratulations then, because you have been blessed with the Holy Trinity. But keeping all the three gadgets fully charged can be a bit of a struggle sometimes. That is why we introduced this charging station, using which you can charge all three gadgets at the same time. The charging station is easily foldable and is covered in magnetic attraction devices, so it won't let your gadgets go away. Suppose you're all cozied up in bed and ready to enter the realm of dreams, but you forget to switch off the lights and are in no mood to get up. In such instances, this smart switch is there for your rescue, as it allows you to control your house's lights through your phone or voice assistant. Now, with just a single tap, you can control the colors of your light and the brightness level. If you are someone who cannot function without coffee and need it at every moment of your life, we have a treat for you. This temperature control mug keeps your coffee at your desired temperature, so you can enjoy your morning brew all day long. It can be easily controlled through a smartphone and switches to sleep mode when not in use. If you are a gamer and you feel like gaming has given you neck and back pain, no worries now, because with Dream Glass Flow you can enjoy gaming everywhere. No matter if you are laying on your bed or if you are sitting on your toilet seat, this AR opens up a whole new gaming world in front of your eyes. And the exciting thing about Dream Glass Flow is how it supports all cloud gaming platforms like Xbox, Game Pass, etc., so you can access your favorite games easily. Do you often tend to destroy your headphones after an intense session of game? Like, do you throw them away in the heat of emotions? Well, this headset stand is here to protect your headphones. It also has two USB ports, so you can easily charge your other devices. Moreover, it comes with a built-in mouse bungee as well that provides dynamic mouse movement, so your wired mouse feels like it is wireless. All the people living in warm environments must know how annoying mosquitoes can be, and especially if you are a person who likes to spend time outdoors. Nitecore wards mosquitoes off from you within a radius of 20 feet and creates a safe environment for you. Just place mosquito repellent pads in it and you are good to go. On top of that, you can also use it as a power bank. If you like every accessory of yours trendy, why settle for boring earbuds then? Nothing ear stuck is as much of a fashion product as a tech product, all thanks to its stunning rotary case design. These earbuds are not all about looks, because they have excellent battery life, improved antenna design and active voice cancellation during calls. Seems like you have found your perfect jog partner. With all the snow and Christmas celebrations around, winters are everyone's favourite. But if you are always freezing no matter how warm your coat is, it is time to shift to this jacket, which can be heated electrically and provides you with warmth all day long. It comes in 3 heating modes, which can keep you warm and cozy for up to 10 hours. Who does not like spending all of their day with their dog? But sometimes your dog has to be at home without you. And for times like these, this dog camera was designed to keep you aware of how your dog is doing in your absence. It has a night vision and 2-way audio, so you can remain connected to your baby all the time. Whether you are enjoying an outdoor trip or you are walking your pet at night, a headlamp flashlight is essential because it sets your hands free and makes sure you don't get caught in the dark. This headlamp flashlight is superior as it provides 230-degree illumination, so you don't have to move your head to a particular point to illuminate it. Though voice control is there to control our smart home accessories, sometimes physical control is more convenient, and for people who find it a hassle to use your mobile app for home control, Aqara Cube is a great option. Push it, shake it or rotate it, and you are all ready to do the magic. From turning on the lights to playing your favorite music on a speaker, this cube covers it all. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you haven't seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Write in the comments which of the products impressed you most. Bye bye.